Hello everybody, today we're doing a simple drywall repair. This is from a doorknob hitting the wall. This is the most common repair in people's houses. If you don't have a doorknob hole in your house now, eventually you're going to get one. What causes these, the door stops that it usually have on the ground are spring loaded, so they fell and just slamming the door open. This is what happens. So basically we're just going to get this area all cut out. And then we're going to add some wood backing. We're going to get it sheetrocked, taped with fiberglass mesh tape. Then I'm going to follow through and do a first coat with a 5-minute quick setting hot mud. If you're not comfortable using hot muds, just use a all-purpose joint compound. Once the hot mud sets up, I'm going to just slick it out with the sponge and 6-inch knife. Since I left the materials on kind of heavy, the slick out process almost turns into a second coat. And I'm going to follow through and going to use a joint compound to do the texture. But while I have the texture out there, I'm going to do a real tight skim coat, basically a coat just to fill in everything, and then turn around and do a skip trowel. Depending where you are, you probably don't have skip trowels, just this Java mat. This is a newer house, so they have these track homes out here that have these skip trowel hand textures. So it's the most common texture in my area. Depending on your region, you may have a different type of texture, but the drywall repair patching process is the same. Get the area cut out square, add backing, sheetrock it, tape, coat, minimum of 2 coats. Since I do it every day, I can get away with doing 2 coats, but if you're doing it yourself, you may need 3 or 4 coats. If you're using a joint compound, just sand it in between coats. Hot muds are more professional grade material, so if you are going to use a quick set material, please know what you're doing. Also have videos like this, patching holes in walls. I have a accident fist hole, doorknob hole playlist that have stuff like this. Most common repairs, pretty much do one of these a week. Easy repair. But go ahead and watch it. There's really no audio, so it's just more of a watch and learn the step process. Easy do-it-yourself repairs. Maybe you don't know how to do everything here, but maybe you can do a couple of these steps here. So if you do hire someone to complete it, at least you got it cut out and do what you're comfortable doing. Of course, just watching a YouTube video doesn't make you a drywall repair person. So just do your research and just do your ability. Sometimes if you don't have just the basic tools and supplies, you go spend more than it costs to hire someone just to do something small like this. So just add up what it's going to cost you to buy the basic tools, basic materials, and see if it's worth doing yourself. But of course, everybody wants to learn, so sometimes it's better to learn how to do it yourself so you always know how to do it. But easy drywall repairs, watch and learn, do-it-yourself videos on this channel. So if you haven't done it yet, please subscribe. Also like and give me a comment. Hey, thanks for viewing and thanks for subscribing.